Okay, so here inside this chapter 2 jQuery functions, I have here fifth file, that is show.html. In this boilerplate code in line number 5, I am loading jQuery library, and from line number 7 to line number 10, I am simply saying that when document is fully loaded inside browser, then call this callback function. Inside body, I'm gonna have here on the top input button. So here is the button, and I'm going to set the caption of the button as show div. Just after this button, I'm gonna simply break the line, and then I'm gonna have here a div. I'm going to assign this div some of inline CSS properties. For example, like background color equals green, and font color as white. Also, display property equals none. I'm going to have here a text inside this div. This is div. Now, initially, look here. This div will have a background color green, text color as white, but display is equal to none will simply make this div hidden inside this body. So if I run this file, I'm gonna have only this input button visible inside browser. Let's check the output right now. Okay, so here we have only show div button over here. The div is hidden. What we want is, if somebody is clicking at this button, the hidden div must be turned to visible. So I'm going to assign here this button an ID btn, and I'm going to say when somebody is clicking on this button having ID as btn, so in the click event handler function of the button, the div will be selected and the display none CSS property will be disabled, so that this div will get visible inside the browser. How can we do that? So I'm gonna say here, select the div by tag and call upon a method show. So when button will be clicked, this div will be selected right here, and show method will simply show this method which is previously hidden by this CSS property display none. So let's check the output once again. If I go ahead, refresh this file and click on this show div, look, the div is visible.